So this is what the front of the house looks like. You can hopefully see this little indent where the girls have already shoveled themselves out of a parking spot, sort of. People are starting to kind of wake up and move around, and there's some traffic. You're getting a video today because, yeah, I don't really want to bring my camera out in this crap. Clearly my landlord has not been by yet, nor have the neighbors shoveled out their sidewalk. Ooh, this is... Oh, the beer truck. They're out. The world is saved. Yep, snow up to about my knees here. This is what I'm calling my fact-finding mission. I want to see how badly my car is buried before I attempt to come out and shovel it. So, yeah, these snowbounds are about hip height up here, but this is shoveled. People have sort of been plowed out of their parking lots. You know what? I'm thinking maybe I should walk in the street. The sidewalk looks a little daunting, and I realize that they've actually plowed in this corner, so maybe I shouldn't go down there. Okay. Clearly somebody's done this before. There are footprints in this snow. Oh my god. Miracle of miracles. Miracle of miracles. Okay. So my car kind of looks clear, but I'm plowed in. So, kind of looks like until my neighbors, who have also parked on this street, get out, I'm not going anywhere. So, this is my car. This is what it looks like. Whew, this is gonna be a bitch. That's a snowdrift. Okay, so that's what my car looks like. But, I mean, doable. It's gonna take me a while. But not totally impossible. Right? Right. Okay, so here's some irony for you. I've been standing in the middle of the street taking pictures and taking this video. And when I noticed, like, there's this spot where, like, clearly a vehicle has gotten out, and I'm trying to imagine, like, what kind of vehicle could possibly drive itself out of this shit. Apparently it's a 4-wheel drive. And I'm about to make some snarky remark about how amazing it is to stand in the middle of the street and, like, have no fear of getting run over when a cop car starts coming up the street and I have to scamper out of the street. It just kind of cracked me up. But it's really not that bad out. I say that now because I'm not doing anything. But I'm in boots and snow pants and totally all packed up. See, look, there's another cop car. They're everywhere. I'm calling this kind of half done, maybe. So this is all cleared. This is the snow pile I have created. This is the snow pile I have created in relation to my shovel, which, by the way, is shoulder height on me. Yeah, so I'm kind of getting there. Getting rid of some of the boulders. I have a lot left. But I figure I don't need to clear out the behind my car part, so I don't think I will. Although I'm contemplating taking this snow and walking it across the street to that pile, because that pile is not shoulder height yet. But I feel like that's probably a bad idea. We shall see. But look, my little windshield thing kept the snow off my windshield. Yay. Okay, I should get back to work. By the way, for all of those of you who are good friends of mine, just thought I'd let you know, I'm listening to the audiobook of An Abundance of Catherines while I do this, and it's making this totally palatable. Or as palatable as you can get. Anyway, time to get back to shoveling. Gross. Alright, I'm officially calling it a day. And by a day, I mean I'm done shoveling. See? Look. You can see pavement, sort of. And I figure this whole crap is going to get plowed in further anyway. Later. Like, you can see the side of my car, you can get to it close enough. I do not have the energy or manpower at this current moment, juncture in time, to get rid of all the snow. So I think I'm just going to leave it and hope that when this guy leaves, I will be able to get out this little shindig here. Although one of my neighbors has suggested I go park over at Nativity at the church, but I don't really want to do that because I don't think I'm going to move my car for a few days. So here we go. Ta-da! Yay! All done. So I was about ready to go inside, but holy crap, look at my sidewalk. This is on the side of the house, so this street is parallel to the one that I was parked on. But yeah, I guess that's at least, oh god, chest high on me. I mean, I guess I could go walk over there and stick a shovel in it. But just, you know, eyeballing that from the truck, yeah, that sucker is, holy shit. I guess that drift is at least 4.5 feet tall, I guess. Here, if I can get out here. I'll come out on the street. Yeah, see? Okay, truck, snowdrift. Holy crap.